Hey guys, today we are going to make lemon tart. Wondering what lemon tart is? Of course it has lemon, but what else? Come, let's find out. So what is a lemon tart? What does it mean? Seriously, even I didn't know before. But like every other Homo sapiens on earth, I googled it. It took me back to 18th century. Called as lemon madrick pie, which was originally a French cuisine, was later altered by British into another recipe called key lime, which further as time went by was named as lemon tart, since it has the key ingredient lemon. Let me tell you something, it's still a mystery how this recipe was born and who named it. How did this originate? I leave this to you to find it. Let's see who finds. So why should you try this anyway? When someone asks me, do I prefer sweet or sour? I'm always puzzled because I love both. If you are like me who love tamarind or kacha mango, the video is just for you. Today we are going to make perfectly sweet and zingy lemon tart with homemade pastry crust. Lemon curd or typically custard with lemon flavor. In a vessel, break open 2 eggs, 1 egg, and there goes the second one. Whisk it gently using a fork or a whisk. The egg has to be in room temperature. If it is in the freezer, place it outside for 15 minutes and then use. Now start adding granulated sugar little by little. Keep whisking simultaneously. I have used half cup of sugar in total. Adjust the sweetness to your preference. Keep this aside for now. I have squeezed 3 lemons. Guys, the taste of the tart totally depends on the lemons used. So get really fresh lemons. Pour few drops of juice over 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and mix it like this to a thick paste. Then pour the rest of the juice. Mix it simultaneously to a watery slurry. Cornstarch is our thickening agent. So depending on how thick you want your curd to be, you can alter the quantity of starch. Now I am pouring this slurry over the corn mixture. If we add cornstarch directly into any liquid, it forms lumps. So always mix starch with little water or any liquid and then use. Now take it to a stove. We are going to boil it in low or medium flame. Add few drops of vanilla essence and mix it. And then add 30 grams of butter. The butter has dissolved. This will take less than 5 minutes. Keep stirring. There are chances that it might get burnt, so don't walk away. Now it starts thickening. Beat it in a mixer for less than 30 seconds and you are done. Tada! Our silky lemon curd. You can even have just like that. Will taste awesome with the mixed flavor of sweetness and sour. Now to our pastry crust. Add in 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Pour melted ghee or butter or even oil and mix it to a coarse mixture. Then pour 3 tablespoons of milk and mix. Add in a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of sugar and knead it to a good medium stiff dough.
Famously used with spoon, this makes a great game for adults as well as every age group. What is it?
It's been 15 minutes now. Roll it into a sheet and cut it round using a jar, lid or a cookie cutter. Place the round sheet inside a bowl or a muffin tray and bake it for 20 minutes. Look how beautiful this homemade pastry crust are. It has to be hard crust like this. Now to the most awaited part, filling the pastry crust. Fill the lemon curd into the piping bag and squeeze it into the shell. Decorate it with whatever you have, or have it just like that. Look how pretty these tiny tartlets are. Don't waste any time further, it's eating time. The crispy pastry crust and sweetie sour lemon curd is out of the world. So again the ingredients for this recipe. First for the lemon curd, 2 eggs, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 3 lemons, vanilla essence, 30 grams of butter. Now for the pastry crust. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, ghee or oil, a pinch of salt. If you like this recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Feed Factory. Do you know that some species of sparrows lay their eggs in crow's nest because they are lazy to hatch them? Now why am I sharing this out of nowhere? Don't be panicked. This piece of information is the key to my next recipe. Guess it, and if you could, stay tuned for my next upload. Bye bye.